guys, so I'm back with these 4 designs for you, and I painted all of these for the A to Z Nail Art Challenge on Instagram. It's so much fun, so I encourage everyone to give it a go. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. So yeah, so enjoy these 4 designs. So here I am with my Mickey Mouse nails. I started off with painting all of my nails except my middle finger with Christine from Picture Polish. It's this gorgeous red jelly polish with glitters in, and the more layers you apply, the more prettier the polish is. The glitters just build up. And then on my ring finger, I'm painting a little stripe across my nail with black acrylic paint, just because we're going to be creating his body on this finger. So just above that half tip, I'm painting with black polish to fill in his body. And then off camera with a brush, I just straightened up that line. And then here I am with a dotting tool and a white polish, just painting his little buttons. And here I am on my middle finger, I'm just painting it white. And then I applied a layer of glossy top coat and waited 20 minutes because we're going to be using acrylic paint. And then here I am with black acrylic paint. I'm painting Mickey Mouse's silhouette. So I just started off with painting a circle, and I filled in that circle till it was completely black. And this is his little head. And then I did 2 circles on the side of his head for his ears. And I filled them in once I was happy with the size. And then finally a glossy top coat. There's my M for Mickey Mouse nails. So the next theme was N for night. So I started off with painting my index and pinky fingers with 3 coats of Cert Colors Sapphire. It's this gorgeous dark blue jelly polish with flaky hollow glitters in. Beautiful, it's like a night sky already. Speaking of night sky, here's my polish from Barry M called Night Sky. And I painted my middle and ring finger with it. I had to use it. It was in the name. I had to use it. And then with my sailor plate from Mo You London, I'm just stamping this moon and stars in the left corner of the plate. And I just stamped the moon on my middle finger. And then with the same bit of the plate, but I'm focusing more on the left side now, I'm just stamping the stars. And the white polish is Glow Up from Twinkle Tea. And I just stamped that on my ring finger. And here I am using the old trick of sellotape on stamping polish to remove it from the skin. Very useful. And then finally a glossy top coat. And there's my night nails. Very simple but also cute, because I think that blue polish just beautiful. Takes it away, that hollow polish I mean. So the next design is O for October, and I went full for this polish, this manning. So I painted my index and pinky fingers with 3 coats of Zyla the Cat from Hollow Taco. Yes, I'm using this polish again. Here I am, you can see I'm just applying it like normal nail polish, but in my Cute Monsters video I applied it with a sponge, so you can do it either way if you want. It dries relatively fast as well. Here I am with my favourite nude polish, which is Barry M's Do It Like a Nude. It takes 3 coats. And then back with Zyla the Cat, I'm just creating a sort of French tip at the moment. Focusing more on the jelly part of the polish than the glitters, just to get the base down. And then once I was happy with that, I went in more with the concentrated glitter on my brush to create the sort of fall leaves on the floor. And then with my Motor London Festive, I think it's the 57 plate, and a black stamping polish, I'm just stamping this leaf sort of pattern. And I stamp that over the top of that glitter polish. So it looks like I've got sparkly orange hollow leaves. It's cute. I did that on my middle and ring finger. So here I am with my Motor London Fall in Love 11 plate, and I'm just stamping this little pumpkin in black. And I'm pretty sure it's the same pumpkin that I used in my pumpkin spice latte from the Fall 01 plate. So I'll see what you're doing there, Motor London, using the same image on a different plate. But here I am, just filling it in with Foxy from Picture Polish, leaving it on the stamper. And then when my pumpkin's drying, I'm just applying a sticky base coat. It did smudge the black polish a little bit, but luckily enough, we're going to be stamping the pumpkin on top of that, and you won't see it. And then finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, there's my October nails. For the challenge, I wanted to paint birthday nails because my birthday's in October, but I thought people wouldn't really get why I'm painting birthday nails for an October challenge. But I hope you like these. And so my final design for you is P for pumpkin. And for this I had the idea of the pumpkin being lit up in the dark, so you only see the bit that you carve into the pumpkin. So for this I started off with painting my middle finger with Super Chic lacquer in Juicy. This is my favourite polish to wear this time of the year. And then with my Motor London Halloween plate, I'll leave what numbers it is in the bottom, in the description box I mean. And a black stamping polish, I'm just stamping the jack-o'-lantern. And ignore my hair rollers in the reflection on the plate. And I just stamp that straight on my nail. And then for the rest of my nails, I painted with one coat black from Hollow Taco. And then with that same plate as before and Super Chic lacquer in Juicy, I'm stamping the cute little pumpkin. He's got a little tooth, he looks like a baby pumpkin. And I just stamped him on my pinky. And it is so cool how these polishes show up over black. And same polish, same plate, and I'm stamping the other pumpkin. And he's going to go on my index finger. And then with a white polish, I'm just stamping that same image as before, the jack-o'-lantern face. And then I just stamp that on my ring finger. And so I'm going to be creating a gradient stamp. So with these colours from Twinkle Tea, it's going to be like fire inside, like a candle. So to create the gradient stamp, I just did 3 thin lines of each polish. You can see on my thumb where I was trying to do the examples of what it would look like. So here I am, just 3 thin stripes. And then you carefully blend them together until you're happy with the way they blend. But don't swipe it too much, otherwise the polish will start drying and you won't get a stamp out of it. And I just stamp that straight on top of that white as a base. Because before on my thumb you can see it, but it makes it pop a little bit more over the white. And it doesn't bother me that I can see it underneath. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these pumpkin nails. And there you go, 4 designs for you. Please tell me which one's your favourite in the comments below. I'd love to see everyone's opinions. And give this video a huge thumbs up. That'd be nice. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.